Welcome to Tam's Imagination, your daily bedtime story channel and your fantasy channel. They say every 1,000 years a chosen one is born under a blood red moon. Most think it's just an old myth, but for 16-year-old Elara, the myth was about to become her reality. Elara lived in the quiet village of Windsmere, where life was simple: wooden cottages, cobblestone streets, and nights filled with glowing lanterns. But Elara was not ordinary. She was born with silver eyes, a color no one else in the kingdom had. Villagers whispered about her behind her back. Some said she was cursed, others claimed she was destined for greatness. Elara didn't care. She only wanted one thing: freedom. Freedom from the stares, the gossip, and the strange dreams that haunted her every night. On her 16th birthday, the sky turned crimson, a blood moon. Elara woke from a dream with a word burning in her mind: moonstone. That night, when she stepped outside, the forest beyond Windmere glowed with silver light. Against her better judgment, she followed it, until she stumbled upon something unbelievable. In the heart of the woods lay a stone pedestal, and upon it, a glowing crystal, pale, shimmering, alive, the moonstone. The Elara reached out. The crystal pulsed, and the ground trembled. In a flash, the mark of the crescent moon seared itself onto her palm. Before she could scream, a voice echoed through the trees. An old woman emerged, cloaked in shadows, her eyes burning like fire. "The prophecy is real," the woman whispered. "The moonstone has chosen you." Elara's heart raced. Chosen? For what? The woman explained, "Every 1,000 years, the moonstone awakens to pick a guardian, someone who must protect the kingdom from the Shadow King. An ancient being imprisoned beyond the veil, and now his prison is breaking." Elara wanted to laugh. A guardian? Her? Oh, she could barely stand up to the village bullies, let alone a dark king. But the moonstone pulsed in her hand like it knew better. The old woman warned her, "The shadows will come for you. If you fail, Windmere will fail." And just as she spoke, the forest grew cold. Black mist curled around the trees. From it emerged creatures with glowing red eyes, wraiths of Shadow King. Elora's body trembled. She wanted to run, but the moonstone in her hand flared with silver fire. A blade of light formed in her grasp, a weapon born from her will. The creatures lunged. Elara fought, clumsy but desperate. Each swing of her glowing blade cut through the shadows, sending them shrieking back into the mist. When the last one vanished, she collapsed to her knees, her heart pounding. She had survived. But this was only the beginning. The woman stepped forward. "The kingdom has little time. You can run to your village, pretend none of this happened, or you can embrace who you are meant to be, the guardian of the moonstone." Elara looked at her glowing hand, the crescent mark burning like destiny itself. For the first time in her life, she didn't feel cursed, she felt chosen. She rose to her feet, gripping the blade of light. "If the Shadow King is coming," Elara said, her voice steady, "then let him be. I'll be ready." As the blood moon sank behind the mountains, Elara's journey as the guardian of the moonstone had only just begun. But what Elara didn't know was that the Shadow King had already awakened and he was waiting for her. So you also have to wait for part 2, and do subscribe and like this video. We see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Good night.